Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English to Rise, where every story opens a door, and every moment can change your story. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, on the small island of Madeira, Portugal. He was the youngest of 4 children. His family was poor, living in a small house, but full of love. His father was municipal gardener and also worked as a kit man for a local football team, and his mother worked as a cook and cleaner. Life was hard, but Cristiano learned early that dreams don't care where you start, they care how much you fight for them. At just 7 years old, Cristiano joined Andorinha, a local team. His father sometimes washed his kits, and Cristiano wore them with pride. Even as a kid, he trained harder than the others, because he knew talent alone was not enough. He showed that success starts with small steps, taken every single day. At 10, Cristiano joined a bigger club, Nacional. His skills were growing, but Madeira was too small for the dreams in his heart. When Sporting Lisbon offered him a place at their academy, he had to make the toughest decision of his life: leave his home at just 12 years old. Sometimes, chasing your dream means leaving your comfort zone. Life in Lisbon was tough. Cristiano missed his family, cried in his bed at night, and felt like quitting. But every time he touched the ball, he remembered why he came. When you feel like giving up, remember why you started. At 14, he got into trouble at school after an incident with a teacher who made fun of his Madeiran accent. Cristiano felt disrespected and walked out. That day, he decided to quit school and focus completely on football. His mother supported him, believing in his talent that he proved that when people doubt you, you can turn their doubt into your fuel. From a young age, Ronaldo showed an intense passion for football, often skipping meals and homework to play in the streets with friends. But his childhood wasn't without challenges. When he was 15, doctors discovered he had a heart problem called tachycardia, which made his heart beat too fast. This could have ended his football dream. But he had surgery and recovered quickly. Just days later, he was back on the pitch, training harder than ever. At 17, Cristiano made his debut for Sporting Lisbon's first team. His speed, skill, and hunger impressed everyone. In 2003, a friendly match against Manchester United changed his life. He played so well that Sir Alex Ferguson signed him immediately. One day of giving your best can change your whole life. Cristiano Ronaldo made his debut for Portugal's national football team on August 20, 2003, in a friendly match against Kazakhstan. He was only 18 years old at the time, and he came on as a substitute in the second half. At 18, he moved to Manchester United. New country. New language. New challenges. But he trained harder than anyone. Over 6 years, he won 3 Premier League titles, the FA Cup, and the Champions League. In 2008, he became the best player in the world. When you outwork everyone, the world will notice. In 2005, Cristiano's father died from alcohol-related illness. Ronaldo was only 20. He was heartbroken that his father never saw his biggest victories. He promised never to drink alcohol. Pain can break you or it can push you, the choice is yours. In 2009, Cristiano joined Real Madrid for a world record fee. Many doubted he could handle the pressure, but he scored 451 goals in 438 games, won 4 Champions League titles, and 4 more Ballon d'Or awards. When people doubt you, let your results speak louder than their words. In 2016, Portugal won the European Championship, their first major trophy. Even when injured in the final, Cristiano cheered and motivated his teammates from the sidelines. A true leader fights for the team, even when he can't fight on the field. In 2018, he moved to Juventus, winning league titles and breaking records. In 2021, he returned to Manchester United. And in 2022, he took on a new adventure with Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. Champions never stop seeking new challenges, they keep moving forward. From a poor boy kicking a ball on the streets of Madeira, sometimes helping his mother clean streets to earn extra money, to becoming one of the greatest players in football history. Cristiano Ronaldo's story is proof that dreams demand sacrifice, discipline, and belief. If you are willing to work harder than anyone else, no dream is too big. CR7 is not just a name, it's a statement. It's the story of a boy from Madeira who cleaned streets, chased footballs, and outran every limit placed before him. It's the proof that with obsession, discipline, and heart, you can turn every impossible into history. CR7 is not just about goals, it's about the hunger to become better every single day.